How to fix your Netflix error code NW25. So NW25 generally means that your device can't connect to Netflix. In order to go ahead and fix it, the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. You can simply go ahead and try restarting your router or toggling between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. If that doesn't work, you want to close Netflix and then simply go ahead and restart your device completely and try opening Netflix again, which should go ahead and solve your problem. If it still doesn't, you can simply try unplugging your router, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in and try it again. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go to the settings, apps, Netflix, storage, and clear cache. If that is not the case, you want to also check if Netflix servers are up and running. Just go to netflix.com/status. If you're using any kind of VPN, make sure that is turned off and always ensure that your date and time settings are set to automatic. If it still doesn't work, then you might need to go to help.netflix.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you